Hi, this video is for pronunciation improvement. By the way, how do you pronounce this word? Carrier? No, you are mispronouncing this word if you are somebody who pronounces it as carrier. Because the correct pronunciation for this word is career. 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 Sarah has had a promising career in English teaching. So as you can see, the correct pronunciation for this word is career. And now, what about this word? This is carrier. So if you are somebody who pronounces it as carrier, so this pronunciation is correct. Do not confuse these two words. The first one, which refers to a job, is career, and this word is pronounced as carrier. So these two words are two different words and they are not homophones. They do not have the same sounds. They are not pronounced in the same way. So career and carrier. Carrier. Mr. John has been working for an international carrier company. So carrier. Carrier. And career. Career. She has had a promising career in English teaching. So that's it. Thank you so much. Now subscribe to our channel, follow our channel for such kind of tips and improve your pronunciation. If you are not sure about any pronunciation tips or you want to learn some vocabulary or grammar or anything related to English, so feel free to comment to us under this video in the comment box and we will be more than happy to help you with anything. Share this video with your loved ones if you care about them, because sharing is caring.